And yo, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, click that bell, you know what I'm saying? Hit all so you can get all my notifications. Subscribe. Gang, gang. Yeah, yes, sir, man. As y'all see, man, got the 2011, man, the 2011 458 Italia. Real nice and legendary car, man. The black on black, real razzle dazzle with the black and yellow letterings, as y'all see, man. Big time Brembo. Y'all see it right there, big time Brembo brakes on the back, man, with the engine in the back, man. Speaking of it, that's the Land Rover out here over there, or should I say the Range Rover out here over there. But speaking of the engine, man, you got a V8, man, V8. You know what I'm saying? Get about 12 to the city, man, about 18 on the highway. Your horsepower is about 570 HP, man. 4.5 liter, like I say, 4.5 liter V8. Highly legendary, man. Carbon fiber all around, man, all around the moot. You know what I'm saying? Got the carbon fiber all around the moot, down on the rear diffuser, man. You got your 3 exhausts. You know what I'm saying? And as you see on the tag, man, that's the Auto Group, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all come down and holler at them though, you know. Real razzle dazzle, rear wheel drive, of course, man. Rear wheel drive with the engine in the back of the moot. Got your tint, charcoal on there. Real nice. Like I say, they're black and yellow, man. Black and yellow. You know what I'm saying? Go real good together, man. Real good. 7-speed, man. 7-speed automatic. Up here up front, man, is your front. You know what I'm saying? And when I say front, that's your trunk, man. That's where you store what you can in there. You feel me? And the rest, you know, you had to put in the car. You know what I'm saying? So speaking of putting in the car, current weight on this thing, man, is about 3,000, man. About 3,274. 3,274 pounds. You know what I'm saying? With that 570 horsepower, man. Of course, you know, 2-seater. I don't know why I'm not seeing the torque, but I imagine, you know what I'm saying? I imagine if it's 570 on HP, then it's got to be a good thing. Y'all won't believe this though, but 398 on the torque, man. 398 on the torque. So got some good takeoff, but the torque, you know what I'm saying, your length of driving and all that strong, man. It's still top of the line, top move car though. You feel me? Yes, got your like your it's more like your halo. I mean, not halo, but ejector out beams, man. With y'all see all the lights in there, man. Highly technology, baby. Highly technology, man. Let's take a look at the inside real quick. Let's take a look in the inside. So as y'all seen in the B-roll, man, parting the Mustang, man. It's gonna be a little loud, man. They trying to make a sale, baby. You gotta get that Range Rover up out of here, you heard me? But y'all seen in the B-roll, man. Yeah, sir, that beam down, baby. Let y'all see what it is, you heard me? As y'all see, man, got your push start on the steering wheel, man. Like a true race car type, you heard me? Nice, good leather. I don't think I can fit in this car. I mean, I can fit in my Camaro, but this seems a little smaller though type. You know what I'm saying? Just real razzle dazzle in here though, man. Like as y'all see, man, all the good buttons on the moot. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all get a good look at that there. You know what I'm saying? With the carbon fiber ears, man. The carbon fiber shifter paddles, man. Just real razzle dazzle, man. That's all I can say. Real razzle dazzle, yo. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yes, y'all see it. Carbon fiber all in all in the boot. You know what I'm saying? So don't get that twisted. Look how it's blinking, man. It's letting you know that it's about to cut off here soon. And there it went. Yes, but highly monumental, man. The stitching real nice on that yellow at that. So it's like everything just black and yellow, and the inside and out. Just real razzle dazzle. Yeah, so before I end the video here, man, y'all see it right there, man. That's the pop the hood there, man. So you can get to that big boy V8 back here, man. I mean, that right there, man, is just something by itself, though. Look at it. Like wow. Sheesh. That's with the carbon fiber on the back moot too as well, though. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up, man. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Yes, sir, man. So as y'all see, man. Ferrari, man, 458, man, 458 Ferrari, Italia, man, Italia, 458 Italia. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it right here, man. Y'all see it right here. You hear me? In the flesh, man. Yes, and it is for sale, by the way. It is for sale. Be sure to tell them that the JP Chevy sent you. They'll know who I is, you heard me? Oh, God. Look how that horse is down there, though. Yes, sir.